What's up, you guys? This is Harmony and Miss Princess, and we're here at Future Studios. We just tried writing a placement for Sierra and other various artists. So as of right now, we have wrapped for the night, and we'll be back here tomorrow to continue to get it in. It's all about your penmanship up in here. You can't be weak at the music videos, for real.
Yeah, you gotta bring the A game for real talk. Like, you got, like, we got gold and platinum albums. Like, you know, we got Beyonce's album, like, on the wall, you know what I mean? So we're doing it live in ATL, and I'm trying to talk low because we got several studios around us. So, you know, we're just doing our thing.
He's up, A-Town down. It's all around as far as my sound.
And that's it. I love it. Alright, can I follow you with this mic?
Go straight.